Greetings, Eddie. Greetings, Eddie.
Good to see you, my brother. I've been watching you, man. I've been watching you.
Oh, thanks. I just been maneuvering, just taking my time with, with my process and paying attention to the public and paying attention to the private all at the same time. Because, if some people try to just jump fast into anything, they'll get lost, just like paying attention to what's going on with President Trump right now.
Well, actually, I understand the public and the private because I happen to be, and I happen to create it, the only Article 4 common law land court in this country. Your republic, all the way, sealed all the way up to the Secretary of State. Can't do anything about it. Absolutely. So as far as the situation in the House, really it's a demonstration of what's been going on, ground roots, everyday, day-to-day experience in dealing with the court system. Because really, my friend in Connecticut just got arrested on a bullcrap traffic charge.
Trumped up charges, some trumped up charges.
Absolutely. And what's worse, an administrative process has commenced. There are defaults on the record. There are no response from the judge, no response from the superior judge, no response from the Connecticut United States Attorney General.
Yes.
None from the Secretary of State of the state of Connecticut, nor Florida, because I'm in Florida, and I went up to Connecticut to handle some issues. But really, everything that I've been doing, I've been influenced by what I've seen on the big screen of politics, what's going on in Washington, D.C. And really, it's a jolt to the people who don't understand. You look at it this way, like I have family members that have no experience with law enforcement whatsoever. The worst they've ever had was like a traffic ticket or something like that. But let them become a target of one of these collectors, one of these group pirates out there. And they think when they go get run through the system that it's going to be, oh, I'm going to have the right to do this and I have the right to do that. These people are proceeding with extortion, with coercion. They'll surround you in court. The judge will be yelling at you. And he's like, oh, wait a minute. First of all, I know I'm not supposed to be here. But I'm here because y'all have guns.
Special appearance in POW, prisoners of words.
Look, if you go through any of my videos on my channel, which is Eddie Alexander Banks, and I went from lock, stock, and barrel.
I need to put that up. I gotta put that up. Okay. Are you already in the chat so I can put it up? So
I
some
believe
people can check out. Have you left any comments in the chat?
Yeah, a couple of them.
Let me see.
I'm on Facebook. I use my first, middle, and last name because I don't got nothing to hide. I'm me. I ain't scared of nobody. I know who I am. And anyone who wants to come talk to me, if they want to get down on paper, then let's sit down as men to have a seat at this big boy table of contract. Now, if you want to bring guns, that's another thing, but I'm not on that. Y'all got the guns and all of this. I got the mine, and I got a pen, and I got a rack of paper and ink. So if anyone want to step to it, let's get it going.
That's our gun. Eddie, that's our gun. The pen and the paper. Boom, boom. Those are our guns. That's what people got to start realizing, that our mind is able to do the same thing as a gun, but we just got to know how to aim and shoot in the right direction with the right words, because words is nothing but, oh, man, you're going to give me juice because I'm glad I met you, bro.
Yeah. Let me tell you, I'm going to tell everybody. I have, if you get in contact with me, I have a signature verification that it immediately destroys the presumption of the state of who is ownership of your signature.
Now, Eddie, I learned like this. This is why I had to slow my channel down a little bit.
Gotcha.
Because a lot of people, they were jumping in. When I say jumping in, including myself, because remember, in the beginning 3 years ago, I was like, I can swim, trying to get back to the shore. So a lot of people don't know first step, level 1, level 2, level 3. So that's why I slowed them down. Email, and then boom, they got to know from the beginning. If they don't know from the beginning, they'll get themselves in trouble, and they'll be just like what's going on right up on the screen. They'll be like Trump with some people trying to pull up some trumped up charges on them. So everybody, check out Eddie Alexander Banks' page. Check his page out, folks. This information is no joke. No joke. Once you guys check his page out, your email